How to transfer music from the computer to your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Okay, first on the computer, plug your phone into the computer with a USB cable. Once you plug it in, swipe down at the top and tap on USB for charging, and then choose transferring files or Android Auto, and then put in the pin or your fingerprint. Okay, once you have authorized file transfers, we go to the computer. Okay, on the computer, open up My Computer. In Explorer, what you want to do is open up your Galaxy S26 Ultra, go into internal storage, and then click on DSIM, and then click on, so we go back into internal storage and then choose a folder where you want to transfer the music files to. We're going to select music. Okay, in music you can create your own folder or you can use the Samsung folder, so that's up to you. So here we can create a new folder. Let's see if I can create the folder directly from here. It doesn't look like allow me to create a folder directly from here, so you can go into your Samsung phone and create a folder. Otherwise we can simply place it into the Samsung folder here. Alright, so if I go into, so I move this to the side and then go to your music folder, and what we're going to do is select the MP3 songs or audio files or your music file, and then you can simply just drag it over like this and drop it. Okay, so it is now placed into my Samsung phone. Now if I go into my music app, music, and in here if I go into tracks, you can see it has all the new songs that has just transferred over. Okay, after that you can then simply just close the folder. From here you can open up your music player and start to play a song. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.